Come on down now, all my friends. All these years I've been reminded, the celebrations and the laughs, the losses we've all had keep me younger than before. Seen the world then twice again, all the beauty that surrounds us. I speak of love, I speak of peace. It's what I believe, what I keep on fighting for. I hope these aren't just memories I borrow, pieces from a less ordinary day. Fell into a coma, then got back up on my feet. Simply boy found his own way. Finally felt like I belonged. The crumbling plaster on the ceiling let me escape to Prince's Park, where I stared up at the stars that led me right to where I am. I hope these aren't just memories I borrow, pieces from a less ordinary day. Fell into a coma, then got back up on my feet. A sickly boy that found his own way. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. I banged on tubes and made lots of noise. When I hear a sad guitar, I gently tap my knees. And all the people passing by, I send them love and peace. I hope these aren't just memories I borrow, pieces from a less ordinary day. Fell into a coma, then got back up on my feet. The teddy boy found his own way.
Hey folks, peace and love, peace and love. We're going to be covering another Ringo Starr song, another new song off his Crooked Boy EP, which I'm holding here, trying not to get too much glare in the lights. We're going to be doing the Crooked Boy song, the title track of the EP. Really like this one. It's kind of the autobiographical song of Ringo, of course, written by the great Linda Perry, not Ringo himself, although maybe he gave her some ideas for it. I'm not sure lyrically. But let's cover Crooked Boy by Ringo Starr. Let me just put that back there. So as I've said, this is going to be my third lesson off the 4 songs on the EP. Probably going to stop there. These are my 3 favorite. And Crooked Boy is probably my favorite song on the album. I think it's a really wonderful song. It's a fun song to play on acoustic guitar. It's probably beginner level, a couple of bar chords thrown in kind of stuff, but nothing fancy like all these songs. I think any level guitarist can play these songs. So they're really, really nice songs to play along and have fun singing with as well. So let's get into Crooked Boy. The guitar's in standard tuning. I'm not using any capos on this. We're going to start with a nice E major chord. So I think I'm going to walk through the song. There's really 3 major parts to the song. I think I'm just going to walk through the song one time and we'll get through it pretty quick. So, come on down now, all my friends. So it's an E major. All these years I've been reminded. Now I'm going to go to an F sharp minor. I'm going to play that bar on the 2nd fret, if you can see that there, an F sharp minor. The celebrations and the laughs, to an A major. The losses we all had, to a B. I'm going to play that bar on the 2nd fret, a B major. Keep me younger than before. Back to E. So that's the verse. It never changes. So one more time on the 2nd verse, verse 2. Seen the world then twice again, E. F sharp minor, up to an A chord, to a B chord, and now back to E major. Now the next part. I hope these days are some memories I borrowed. I hope these aren't just memories I borrowed. So A, I hope these aren't just memories. To B, I've borrowed. Back to E, pieces from a less ordinary day. A, and now we go. Fell into a coma, then I got back on my feet. So that's A, fell, A minor, E, C sharp minor. So playing barred on the 4th fret. So very Beatles here, right? So A minor, E, C sharp minor, and then you go back to an F sharp minor. A sickly boy found his own way to a B. Then you stop. Felt like I finally felt like I belong. E. It's all the same. Crumbling plaster on the ceiling. F sharp minor. Let me escape to Prince's A, where I stared up at the B. Let me right where I am. E. Now back in the middle part. A to a B, E major, back to A. Now we do the little run. A minor, E major, C sharp minor, to an F sharp minor. Found his own B. Now part 3 of the song, the la la. La 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 la. So that's just C sharp minor, a lot of the same chords. C sharp minor, A, E, B. And I just want to say this thing about the songwriting. This is beautiful songwriting by Linda Perry in my estimation. She's using a lot of the same songs, but she's just changing the order, changing when she changes the chords, so it makes it interesting. But basically, it's the same chords throughout the song. So again, the la la part, C sharp minor to an A, barred or open, whatever, E, B, la 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 la, and then you go to an A, B, to an E. Now when you come out of this, a dang I'm sorry. When I hear a sad guitar, I gently tap my knees. So just E. When I hear a sad guitar, I gently F sharp minor my knees. Strum back. Then you just hold the E. And all the people passing by, I send them love and peace. Back to that F sharp minor. Now back to the A. I hope these aren't just memories I've been borrowed. Back to E. Pieces from a less ordinary A. And again, A minor, E, C sharp minor. Now hold one extra measure to F sharp minor, F sharp minor. A teddy boy who found his own B. And then outro A to E. That's it, folks. Under 6 minutes. That's Crooked Boy. Of course, recorded and released on Ringo Starr's new EP called Crooked Boy, the title track, written by the wonderful, the incredible Linda Perry. And she's playing everything with her band, doing a lot of background vocals. I think she sent all the tracks to Ringo, if I understand this. She recorded everything, including background vocals, everything with her band, sent it to Ringo. He added his vocals and drums, and that's how I think they mixed all this. And it sounds great, and as many people have commented, there's very little, if any, auto-tuning on Ringo's voice, which I think sounds great. The way it is, let's keep the auto-tune down or out. That's fine with me. There's a little straining on some of the vocals, but that's fine. It sounds genuine. And it's just wonderful. It's a wonderful EP. It might be my favorite of the 5 EPs Ringo's recently released, but it's definitely a strong one in my opinion. And it definitely has a different sound with Linda Perry's band and her style of music. So a little more country, but it's wonderful and suits Ringo very well. So thank you, folks, for watching it. I appreciate it. I'll see you all with another lesson soon. Probably won't be Ringo next time. Take care.